G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is September 29, 2023. This is the US dollar basket update. Since our last update, we did project that we were going to get a bit of a bounce off this resistance, and that resistance is, let me just get that, it's at 11,472, and it's making a bit of a move to the downside. You'll notice on the commodity channel index that's starting to weaken and approaching its moving average, but it's well in the overbought territory. And the stochastic, sorry, these all indicators are a bit squashed, but that's why I'm blowing them up for you. The stochastic is still rising and approaching the overbought, but it's somewhere around the 65 level. But no real pullback yet. Now, on the hourly, we did actually project a bearish divergence on the CCI up to this point initially, but then the price kept rising higher, and we did say that so long as the CCI kept falling, which it did, so that for the CCI or for the divergence to invalidate, we need to see the CCI break higher than that point there. Now in this case it kept falling, and it's still falling, and that means the divergence is still in play. So you can see there it reached this new resistance up there at 10,649, and it's bouncing off that, and that would have been our initial target. Now let me just delete, that was our original Fibonacci level, which it didn't hit because the divergence kept, the CCI kept falling, but the price kept rising, so that would have been obsolete. So what we do now is we draw another Fibonacci level from that low to that more recent high, and that's where our new target is, between that 23 and that 38% level. And you can see there, it's just kissing it at the moment, so most likely it's going to come and reach this trend line in the next few minutes probably. So we're going to continue monitoring that, but you can see that the CCI is still falling. The stochastic, likewise, it's breaking down from the overbought territory and it's still falling, so we're going to see further declines most likely. Now it's going to come into this range very likely, and possibly even lower, but that's our initial target area, so we're going to consider that as a win, as a trade, and that would have been entered when it broke below this moving average. So that's where we are at the moment. Target hit on the US dollar on a bearish divergence on the CCI. So support us more, go to the Patreon page and subscribe there. That's where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.